Look at those roots on this tomato plant. I'm getting ready to replant it into the ground. Trim it down some. Give it some fertilizer. And see if it's gonna regrow some more Creole tomatoes from it. Let's get started. Okay, I added some liquid fertilizer in there in the soil so the roots can have some food to feed them as they replant in this new area. Okay, I have the tomato roots down in the soil with the water and the liquid fertilizer in there. Now I'm gonna just cover it up with the soil on top. Then put my tomato cage back around it to support it a little more. And let's watch it grow again. Let's hope I have some more Creole tomatoes come grow again. Enjoy your new area. Try to prop you up a little better. Get some zip ties to tie you up on the tomato cage so you can stand up a little better. But enjoy your new spot. Okay, I have the tomato plant staked up real good with the tomato cage, and I watered the soil real good so the roots can get started growing back in this area. I trimmed out some of the dead stems and cut off as many of the suckers as I could. I'm going to trim a little bit more to help it focus its strength on growing in certain areas. Cut back a lot of those suckers off of it and the dead stems off of it. And let's see if it's going to do its thing again and grow some more Creole tomatoes in Big Mama's garden.